welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will be looking into how we can execute our Postman collection using command line. In order to execute your Postman collection using command line, you will be needing Node.js installed on your machine. Along with that, you will also need Newman. Newman is a Node.js package which is developed by Postman. Okay, it is used just to execute your collection from the command line. Okay, so you don't need your Postman client for it. Okay, so let's get started. We will export our Postman collection and keep it in your local drive or even in your repository, Git repository you can keep. Okay, and then you will also export your environment variables. Let's say you have your environment variable in your used in your collection. So you also need to export it. Okay, so let me first export the Postman collection here. Let's say export its collection version 2.1. Okay, let me save this in C drive. Note that the file name, the file is going to end by collection word. Okay, so this is a notation for saying that it is a collection file of Postman. Similarly, let's go to the environments tab. Okay, and then export our environment variable. So let's click here and then click on export. Okay, again, note here that it is ending by environment word. Okay, let's save this. So now that you have got your collection and the environment variables stored in your local machine, you need to install Node.js. Okay, so let's find this utility. Node.js, let's say download. Okay, click on download link. Okay, download the Windows installer since I'm on Windows machine. Let's wait for a few seconds to download. It will start the installation as soon as the download is completed. Click on next, accept the agreement. It is going to install in the C drive. Okay, you don't need to add path. Okay, it is going to add it automatically for you. Okay, click on next, and click on install. Allow user access control. It will complete the installation in few seconds. Okay, so your installation is successful. Click on finish. Okay, let's open command prompt. Okay, and let's type and check the version. It's not --version. Okay, so it is 18.14.0. This is what we have downloaded from the website. And also check npm version. It is 9.4.0. This is the latest npm version. Let's close this. Now we need newman, which will act as your CLI tool for execution. Let's find that as well. Newman npm. Let's search this. The first link you need to click. So it's from Postman. Okay, Newman is a command line collection runner for Postman. It allows you to effortlessly run and test a Postman collection directly from the command line. Okay, so let's first install this. installation instructions are very simple. Okay, you need to type npm install -g newman. So it is going to install newman package globally on your machine. Let's open command prompt again and enter this command. Hit enter. Within few seconds, it will install your newman package on your machine. Okay, package is installed. You can also check the version of it. Let's say newman -- version. So it's 5.3.2. Okay, now let's go to our C drive, okay, where we have Postman folder created. Here you will find your collection. Okay, so postman store.postman underscore collection.json file is the collection where we are having all our tests. And then we have postman pet store underscore qa dot postman underscore environment.json. This is your environment variables. Okay, so you will be needing these two files. Suppose in case you are not using any environment variable in your collection, so you will no need to export any of the environment variable. Directly you can run it. Okay, let's first see if suppose we are running this collection without an environment variable, what happens. Okay, so there is a simple command newman run, and then you have to specify the collection name. It's newman run collection name. Hit enter. Okay, so this is going to complain that the get address info not found. So here it is trying to say that the base URL which you have mentioned, it's not able to find. Okay, so there were two tests, such tests which has failed. Okay, now I want to run this collection using my environment variable because I have specified the base URL in that file. Okay, so we just need to type again newman run, and then your collection name followed by -e. -e is for environment. Okay, and then you have to specify the environment variable file name, okay, which is ending by environment. So the first file we have to specify is your collection, and then the second file which you have to specify is your environment variable. Okay, and -e is used for when you're running it using your environment variable. That's it. So hit enter. It is going to start your execution, and if you see, okay, it found two tests or two requests under it. Okay, and it has executed. It found that it is 200. Okay, what is the request KB size? It's 62 KB, and in what time it has executed. Okay, this was one iteration. There were two requests, two test scripts were there. Okay, prerequisite scripts there were I mean 0. Okay, or 2, I would say. Okay, assertion failed 0. Okay, so if you see that 2.2 second it took to execute the complete test. Okay, and the data received was 61.79 KBs. Okay, so this is how you are going to run your collection using command line. Okay, we did not use Postman client to run this test. Okay, when you are running your test from command line, you just need two files, which is collection and then environment variable file. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.